Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video, but before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys make sure to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any important update or opportunity from the channel itself, and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So let's talk about our first opportunity. So that is from Global Edge, right? So Global Edge is hiring for the role of software analyst. Um, about Global Edge, so here is sort of description given that it is a leading embedded solution and information technology services company serving global markets. Global Edge Software single-minded mission is to transform our customers' business vision into reality through superior, cost-effective, and quality engineering solutions. With development center in India and US, Global Edge offers a unique combination of R&D, product engineering, and software development services. Right? We'll be proceeding further. So talking about the position, so they are hiring for the role of software analyst. Job location specified is willing to work on embedded field in any location like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai. So they are basically hiring for an ideal candidate who should have good attitude, sound knowledge on analytical skills, strong C++ programming skills, basic and good knowledge on Linux internal concept, willing to work on embedded field in any locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai, very good communication skill, verbal and written English. Training period will be of 6 months. And talking about the service agreement, so yes, there is a service agreement as well on prorate basis, 24 months from the effective date of employment. Eligibility criteria, so BE, BTech, any branch, 2020 and 2021 batch. So these two batches are eligible, and branch can be any one, whether it's electronics, mechanical, from any branch you can apply for the same. Percentage cutoff, so yes, 60% in graduation, 12th and 10th. CTC they have specified is INR 12K stipend for first 6 months, and later on after 6 months upon employment with 3.8 LPA. This is the company URL provided. Selection process will be online test, aptitude and reasoning, then C programming, then technical interview, then HR discussion. Online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidate. After test, shortlisted candidate must be available for a further online interview process. Candidate should be available for immediate joining. So here you can see that test date is from, you can see that has been from 24 November to 3 of December. So make sure to register for the same before the given deadline. And right, so if you're interested for the same, to register for the same. So this is an opportunity from Global Edge. Talking about our next opportunity, so Research Fellows Program at Microsoft Research India. Right, we'll be talking further about this program from Microsoft. So this program at Microsoft exposes bright young minds in India to world-class research and the state of art in technology. The program prepares students for careers in research, engineering, as well as entrepreneurship. MSR India has some of the best researchers pushing the frontiers of computer science and technology. Right, coming to the eligibility, so candidates should have completed BS, PE, BTech or MSME, MTech in computer science or related areas, graduating by summer 2022. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. We evaluate candidates based on a combination of factors including academic performance, raw smart and development skill, and proven ability or aptitude for research and software development. So selected candidates spend 1 to 2 years at MSR India. Different roles require a different combination of skills. Current and past RFs have worked on solving deep theoretical problems, pushing the boundaries of AI, designing new programming languages and all. So here you can see important dates also been provided here. Deadline for application is 14th of January 2022. So offers expanded to accepted candidate is that the given date they have provided. So make sure to apply for the same before the given deadline. Right, coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Amazon. Amazon is basically hiring for the role of SDE1. Right, so here we'll be proceeding further. Says they have provided the complete description, so you can just go through it. We'll be quickly talking about the basic qualifications. So programming experience with at least one modern language such as Java, C++ or C#, including object oriented design. Preferred qualification, so you need BE, BTech in computer science or equivalent. 0 to 2 years of software development experience. So this opportunity is for 2021, and after this like 2021, 2020, 2019, so these batches can apply for this opportunity. You should be having 0 to 2 years of software development experience. This opportunity is not for 2022 or later graduates, right? So just the info to share with you. Mastery of the tools of the trade, including a variety of modern programming language, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Objective-C. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Infosys for the role of system engineer. The location is Gurgaon. So responsibilities specified are good communication skill, good analytical reasoning skill, should be able to join immediately. So this is an immediate joining they are doing, and only 2020 as well as 2021. So 2020 and 2021 pass out is eligible for the same. Academic thought 65% is needed. Technical and professional requirements. So job location Pune as well as Gurgaon also they have specified. Qualification BE, BTech, MCA, freshers. IT CS stream only. So this opportunity is for IT or CS stream only, right? Shifts general and experienced fresher. Okay. So preferred skills are technology, Java, all right. So if you are interested in the same, then make sure to apply for this opportunity from Infosys. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Amdocs. Amdocs is basically hiring for the role of software engineering associate graduate Pune, right? So who are we? Just a quick description given regarding the company. You can just go through it in one sentence that talking about your role. So you will be responsible for design, development, modification, debug, and maintenance of software system. What will your job look like? So you will design, develop, modify, debug, and maintain software code according to functional, non-functional, and technical design specification. You will follow Amdocs software engineering standards, applicable software development methodology, and release processes to ensure code is maintainable, scalable, and supportable, and demo the software product to stakeholders. You will investigate issues by reviewing, debugging code, provide fixes and workarounds, and review changes for operability to maintain existing software solution. You will work within a team, collaborate, and add value through participation in peer code reviews, provide comments and suggestions, and work with cross-functional teams to achieve goals. You will assume technical accountability for your specific work products within an application and provide technical support during solution design for new requirements. All you need is BE, BTech, MTech, ME, MCA. Stream are also specified that EATC, CSC, IT, ENC only. Sort you need 60% with no year down. Passing out year 2021 is eligible. Why you will love this job? So you will be challenged to design and develop new software application. You will have the opportunity to work in a growing organization with ever growing opportunity for personal growth. And some perks and benefits are also been specified, so you can just go through it. So this is an amazing opportunity, right, from Amdocs as well. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and again guys, the main motive to make these hiring opportunity videos is just to let you know about the companies which are hiring, so that you can apply for the same and perhaps you can get placed in the companies as well. So do share this video among your friends as well who are looking for the opportunities and eligible for the same. So please do share the video and let them know about these hirings. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.